My name is Allison, and I'm a registered nurse in Little Rock, and I work in the NICU. I had been thinking on and off for several years about having plastic surgery done. I was a little hesitant because of the stigma involved and because it is surgery. Whenever I was trying to decide if this was really something I wanted to do, the most important thing for me was to come out with a natural look, not the stigma of a Hollywood fake look. I started talking to some friends and acquaintances and found out there are a lot more people out there that have had these procedures done than what you realize. When I came in, I felt very comfortable. It is a vulnerable thing to go through. So all the girls were very welcoming. It was a judgment-free zone, and they just made the whole experience very comfortable. When I came in for my first consultation and was discussing the options for breast augmentation, she never made me feel rushed. She was very encouraging. She even offered to take pictures on my personal cell phone so I could see for myself and go back later and decide if I was truly happy with it. Even after I left the first consultation, I was kind of going back and forth on my final decision. So I contacted the office again, and they said, of course, come back in. We can go over any questions. We can let you try on things again. And so I came back in, and they really helped put my mind at ease that I was making the right decision. The day of my surgery, I arrived at the surgery center, and I was first met with one of the pre-op nurses. Again, I was a little nervous because I was afraid of the judgment involved with having plastic surgery. She was very kind, welcoming. We were able to just talk about life in general, and I felt like we were friends by the end of it. Before the procedure, Dr. Prince came in to visit with me, and I told her I still haven't nailed down the size that I want. But I know that I want to look natural and I want to look proportionate to my body. She was so confident that even though we hadn't nailed down a size, I knew that I could leave that up to her and I could trust her decision. I am so happy with how everything turned out. I do not regret this decision at all. I wish I would have done it sooner. What I would tell to others that are still struggling to make that decision is it's okay to put yourself first and to do something that will make you happy. I feel like it's opened up a whole new world for clothing options for me. I can feel so much more confident in just a simple top. I am so glad that I put my trust in Dr. Prince. The morning of surgery, when I was still going back and forth on sizes, and I finally just told her that I am going to trust you and you do what you think will look best for my body. She knew exactly what I was trying to convey to her, and she gave me the perfect results.